My name's Jane Ray and my role is the Quality Manager. A&S Landscape have been really communicative at every step of the project, really, from when I first met Roger to actually the guys who were here actually putting the canopy up. I came on site to make sure everything was all right, and everyone in between has been very, very communicative and very helpful. Well, I think it's made a big difference actually. A lot of people have positively commented and said it makes the entrance look a lot more contemporary. It's certainly added, to the surgery. We've had a lot of patients waiting outside in all weathers, obviously for the socially distancing rules, and we felt it was something that we needed for the patients to have a little bit more cover. A&S Landscape helped us with drawings. They went to into a lot of detail, sent us quite a few drawings and amended drawings for us to approve, with all the details and the dimensions on, so that we knew exactly what we were getting. I would definitely recommend A&S Landscape too, and in fact I have mentioned it to some other practice managers in the area if they were looking for something similar.